So let's say that I want to program an application that will remind me to take my pills. So let's get started. Let's run the application. We'll touch the Getting Started button. It's telling us to touch the plus button to add a new one. And I'm gonna name my application Pills, and same for the description. Now I'm gonna save it, and it is asking me if I'm ready to demonstrate my application, and it is also saying that it will start recording my actions. So I'm gonna touch OK, and the application is now recording my actions. I'm going to get into the living room, and I'm getting an action frame from the motion sensor on top of the TV over there. So I'm gonna touch pause because I don't want to record any other action, and I want the system to remind me to take my pills. So I'm going to add a response. This is the button to add a response, and I'm gonna tell the system to say something. So I'm gonna select the response to say something, and it's gonna say remember to take your pills. Okay. So it's gonna say that remember to take your pills, and I also want the system to turn on that lamp on and off twice, so I have a visual reminder as well. So let's select another type of response. It's going to be turn device on, and the device will be the lamp. And let's turn the lamp off again. And let's do that twice. So let's turn the device, the lamp on, and turn the lamp off. Okay. Now, if I so let's now record my actions of grabbing my pills. So I'm gonna touch the record button here, and I'm going to open the drawer here. So I'm getting up an action frame, and as you can see, this action frame has not been customized. So I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change the text, and I'm going to change the default text here to drawer opened. Okay, and I'm gonna change the default picture as well. So change image, and I'm gonna take a picture of the drawer here. Accept. And that's much better. And I'm also going to record my action of opening the pills box here. And that's all I need. So I'm gonna touch pause. And as you can see, that frame was already customized, so I don't need to do anything. I'm gonna put the box back into a drawer and close it. And after I get my pills, I want the system to reward me with a sound. So I'm gonna select play a sound, and it's gonna be the achievement sound, which is basically a clapping sound. So I'm gonna touch OK. And that's gonna be all my program. Well, let's just add another thing. I want this this application to run only between a certain time. So I'm gonna add a time condition here. So I'm gonna touch the date time button here, and I'm gonna change this to time of day, and only if it's between let's say 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Any day of the week. Okay. And there's our time condition there. So only if it's between 7 and 8 p.m. any day of the week, and I enter the living room, I'm gonna get an audio reminder. So the system will say to remember to take your pills, and the lamp will start flashing twice. And if I grab my pills, I'm gonna get an achievement sound. Alright, so I'm gonna save the application, and the system is now configuring itself. And the application is being saved. It is also saying that I'm ready to test the application by using the same objects that I used during my demonstration. So here's my application, and so let's try it. Turn off the phone here. So if I get into the living room, I'm gonna get a reminder.
Remember to take your pills.
Oh, so I should take my pills. Let's grab my pills over here.